So, do you think this is coincidence? No, I'm keep saying evolution, not creation. Now see the weather. It is creation. 2:52 p.m. How much time it took me to come back after Friday prayer? And it is being created, joined, combined by Allah. Weather is cold again. Back to cold. How will you believe that the weather can be transformed into hot weather? Clouds parted away, split it away, just because legend was going for the prayer? Was it a break? Or was it a demonstration by the King of Universe for something special? Now look the sky, condition, cloud, sun, and the weather cool. Do you think this is coincidence happening in the universe? I'm keep saying it is being done by Allah. I have demonstrated enough communication and Allah has performed enough demonstration and miracles that He is creating and controlling this entire system. Don't you understand? There was raining happening, He stopped that. I prepared for the Jummah. When I came back, He again joined them and made the cool weather again. Anyway, you don't understand that. You worship Jesus, you worship Ram, Krishna, Vishnu, Hanuman, Zeus, Thor. And what about those atheists? Yes, where are atheists? Hello, atheist of the world. Evolution. So this system is being evolved for me. That was evolved into hot weather just because of me, so that I could go and pray to Allah. Who the hell you making fool in this universe? On the planet Earth of Allah. That sun, which is hidden now, is controlled by Allah. And I am on earth, and Allah is watching me. Alhamdulillah. He watches everyone, but you don't believe in Allah. It does not matter. His kingdom is beyond your reach. His kingdom is beyond your mindset. But I was not expecting this kind of demonstration from Allah. When I was trying regarding hot transformation of weather, Allah did not do to this extent level. He kept this to a limit because He wanted to perform something. And I understood Allah has a planning. And yes, He proved He had a planning. Because He brought thunderstorms, everything was throwing water, and just as I came on the roof, Allah suddenly stopped the weather, raining, and stopped the system, move it away. For a demonstration, look how He controls the system of universe. By the way, why the sun is not coming again and again? Naturally. Why the sun is not coming again and again? As the system of nature works. Do you think that it is working by itself? Still you want to believe in this? Your nonsense beliefs. Your nonsense beliefs. I want to see what happens next. I am also waiting what Allah is planning. So we will see in the coming time what happens. But for now, this is a spiritual slap on the faces of those who deny the existence of Allah. That for His servant, He stopped the weather. And after His servant come back, He joined the weather. Thenga. What is called? Thenga. To your false God, to your false science, to your false theories. Islam is the true religion. Allahu Akbar. Alhamdulillah.